Some of you may be fighting cyber adversaries and the fallout from cyber attacks around the clock, restoring your systems and bringing your business back to normal operations. You may even breathe a sigh of relief, but is the fight really over? Your toughest battles still may lie ahead. Let's dig in. Although you may have fought the cyber and technical battles of getting your business back online, the next battles may be legal ones. GDPR, HIPAA, FTC, Ireland's Data Protection Commissioner, and possibly the new SEC regulations. It's just a small sampling of regulatory agencies that can issue fines and penalties for not obeying the rules and regulations as it applies to data breaches. These can be U.S. and worldwide regulatory bodies. Here are some of the largest fines in recent times. DD Global in China, $1.19 billion. Amazon, $877 million. That's a GDPR fine. Equifax, $575 million or more. FTC and Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Instagram, $403 million. Ireland's Data Protection Commissioner. TikTok, $370 million. GDPR and Ireland's DPC. T-Mobile, $350 million. SEC and class action lawsuit. Meta, Facebook, $255 million. Ireland's Data Protection Commissioner. WhatsApp, $255 million. Home Depot, $200 million. All definitely can be considered material impact by the new SEC regulations. Contractual obligations. Companies may have contractual obligation to protect customer data, and a breach could lead to breach of contract claims from business partners or customers. You may need to prove the company did not take undue cyber risk with the company assets. Shareholder lawsuits. Shareholders may file lawsuits against a company if a cybersecurity breach causes a significant drop in stock prices or damages in the company's financial standing. Criminal charges. In severe cases, particularly those involving intentional or reckless disregard for data security, companies or their executives may face criminal charges. These charges can range from data theft to fraud to violations of specific cybersecurity laws. They can result in fines or even possible prison terms. Insurance issues. Cyber insurance policies may not cover the costs associated with a breach if a company was negligent or falls into an excluded condition. Premiums usually rise after an incident. What if your first response if your business gets hit with ransomware attack, especially if your backups fail? For many, this would be to pay the ransom, often in cryptocurrency. Unfortunately, a 2020 ruling by the Department of Treasury Office and Foreign Assets, or OFAC, and the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, or FinCEN, declared it illegal to pay ransom in many cases. This also means that it's illegal for your cyber insurer to pay these ransoms also. Not only that, an illegal action can't be claimed as an expense on your taxes. If this is your scenario, it may be time to call your attorney. These are some of the legal scenarios that could play out after a breach. The best way to navigate some of these legal issues is to plan for them way in advance. This will make your life much easier if and when your company becomes a breach. Hire a qualified attorney that has worked on many cyber breach cases and understands the traps, the pitfalls, and necessary planning to address these potential legal issues head-on in advance. The next best option is to hire a qualified attorney after a breach. This has been your Cybersecurity Tips of the Week. Everyone, please stay safe and secure until we see you next time.